In this question, it is given that a few drops of sap were collected by cutting across a plant stem by a suitable method. And then the sap was chemically tested. So you have to identify which of the following test results indicate that it is a phloem sap. Now, phloem sap usually consists of water and sugars, amino acids, and other organic compounds. So, it has specific characteristics that help to identify it. Now, coming to the options, option A, lower refractive index. It is incorrect because as phloem sap is rich in sugars, especially sucrose, it contributes to a relatively high refractive index. Option B, absence of sugar. It is also incorrect because phloem sap contains high concentrations of sugars, primarily sucrose. Option C, acidic. It is also incorrect because it is not acidic. Its pH is neutral to slightly alkaline. Option D, alkaline. Now, phloem sap often has slightly alkaline pH due to the presence of organic solutes like amino acids and sugars. And this distinguishes it from xylem sap, which may be more neutral or slightly acidic. Hence, it is the correct option.